Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Home Creations. Today I am sharing a video about Independence Day speech in English. To prepare this video, I have collected some important and simple points about Independence Day. Here I have produced the importance of independence and where the Independence Day celebrated and significance of the independence. By concentrating these points, I have made one speech. So I am sharing this speech to you all. So let us start. Good morning to all my teachers, parents and my dear friends. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule. After many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August to remember the first day of freedom of India as well as remember all the sacrifice of the great leaders who sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day in our school or home. We celebrate Independence Day in all parts of India. On this day, the President of India, President hoists our national flag in early morning at Red Fort in New Delhi, including march past and army parade are performed by the Indian Army and cultural events by the students are performed. After the flag hosting, national anthem that is Janaganamana recitation, the Prime Minister of India gives his annual speech. And the President of India also delivers the address to the nation speech. In the honor of occasion, 21 gunshots are fired. India's struggle for independence started in 1857 with Sipai mutiny in Meerut, and it gained momentum after the First World War. So this is nothing but some background of Independence Day. In 20th century, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the Indian National Congress and other political organizations launched a countrywide independence movement and revolt against the oppressive British rule. During Second World War in 1947, the Indian Congress launched the Quit India movement, demanding an end to the British rule. During the partition of India in 1947, violent riots, mass casualties and displacement of nearly 15 million people took place amid religious violence. So by this you can conclude that the youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said, the future hinge onto the young generation. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. Thank you. Thank you for giving this valuable opportunity to share my words. Jai Hind. Or you can conclude with any patriotic quotation, or you can start with a patriotic quotation, or you can take some quotations with examples. You can explain very neatly, so by that the people can attract to your speech. So hope you guys you may like my video, or you may share my video to your friends and family members. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.